If you're watching this right now, this is confirmation that you did it. You have entered a brand new era and life is going to change drastically from here on out. Your new life is beginning right now. So I want you to claim this energy. I want you to put I'm ready in the comments because it's here and it's ready for you to take it head on, to lock in and anchor into this new identity. The person who's been calling you forward is your future self that is held to a higher standard, that is put on a pedestal and is reaching for you, asking them to meet you there. So I want you to leap forward into the unknown, to go after that creative pursuit, to go after this shift that you feel within that is begging you to move forward, because this is a time of complete reorientation in your life where everything is being divinely orchestrated and moved around, and it's forcing you to move forward whether you're ready or not. So it's so much better if you just go forward blindly and taking that leap, knowing that God has you, that He's going to catch you if you fall, He's going to put you on the right path, and He's making moves for you as we speak. He's clearing the way. So the path ahead is bright, it's clear, and the conditions are perfect. The sun is shining, there's not a cloud in the sky, it's the best temperature ever. The terrain is smooth and beautiful. When I tell you that this is going to be a stroll, something that is easy and fun, it's real and it's possible. So I want you to know that it's possible for you to not have to constantly struggle, not to force to chase or live in lack and poverty anymore, because God has set you on the right path. And this righteous living is going to allow a lot of things to change in your life that's going to change the course of your entire life and the trajectory that you're on. And so there's no more uphill battles. It's just smooth sailing from here on out. And it's okay to accept this, to know that it can be that easy and it doesn't have to be hard, that life doesn't have to be miserable or dystopian. And we have the power to put our focus on things that matter, on things that feel good, and our true purpose, which is to live a life that is joyful and allows us to express ourselves authentically and to share our gifts with others, to serve our communities, and to make a lasting impact in this world, because your life is not insignificant. Your purpose is to be you and to share your gifts with the world. And it starts today. And this is why things are going to change for you and why things are going to be so much easier, a lot more stable, and it's okay to allow that to happen because you are worthy of it and you deserve it. You deserve good things. You deserve ease and peace in your life. So I want you to really take this message to heart and move forward in confidence, knowing that you are supported and loved and cared for by God. And He will provide to you everything that you need on your journey, and He will guide you every step of the way. So put I am ready in the comments, hit that like button, and if you're not following me by now, you need to hit that subscribe button because I put out new videos almost every single day to help you on your journey, and I am on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and with you, I know I can do it. So share this with others to help spread this good word and to help grow this channel. I appreciate any and all support, including you perusing the pinned comment as well as the description for all the different options that I have for you. I love you so, so, so much, but God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Bye.